Hey guys, thank you for taking time off to watch my video. So today I'm going to do an X butterfly on my canvas. So as you all know, I used to sleepy dots here and there, but somebody suggested me to do an X instead. Actually, a few of you did suggested it to me, and I thought, hey, that's a really good idea. So this pour I'm just going to test out to see if an X makes a simpler butterfly. If you're new here, please don't forget to help me subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you get an update from me every week. So here I have my base. I thought it was warm gray, but it's actually warm gray mixed with a bit of gold. That is why there are cells just appearing so naturally on the surface of the canvas. It's a bit annoying because I didn't want to have any cells on my base, but yep, it's already popping out already. Now this paint looks thick because as we all know, warm gray is an opaque color, and the gold is not an opaque color, it's transparent. So because of that, when you mix together, you can create a lot of cells. Anyway, let's get started. Here I have my leftover paints, and this is the first color they're gonna put, which is Prism Violet. It's a really beautiful color by Liquitex. I'm just going to put an X. And then my next color will be Quinacridone Magenta by Liquitex as well. So these colors are actually my Christmas present from my friend KS, so thank you KS. Then my last color would be gold. And as you can see, my gold here is thick. So I deliberately make it thick because I do not want to have a lot of cells on this painting actually. I like everything to be warm and cool. Now that I've done the X, I'm going to blow them out in each direction. This is a pretty boring direction, but we'll see. I did not move them too much because yeah, the colors are just so beautiful as it is. I didn't want to disturb them, but I know I should. But I'm being very careful about it too. Can you see the cells popping out already? Wow, this is just gorgeous. No silicone oil and no floral. Simple, just paint and water. Anyway, I'm just gonna blow it out. Now some of you have asked me what hairdryer do I use. This is actually just a lost and found hairdryer. It's a mini traveling hairdryer that I got from my husband, and the tip of the head is actually from the heat gun that I got from my husband as well at his workplace. So I just found this tip and I thought this flat tip is perfect, and I just tip it together with the masking tape and it works beautifully. But I'm still very careful when I'm blowing with the hairdryer because sometimes, you know, when things look beautiful already, you just don't want to touch it, right? So here's my X butterfly, and then I'm just going to simplify it by creating a stroke in the center to form the body. If you can see what I'm saying, these colors are gorgeous. Like the magenta and the prism violet is just so bright, vivid, and saturated that it's just so beautiful right now. Even though there is no butterfly shape right now, but the colors are just beautiful. Let me know in the comment section if you like these warm color tones and what you think about it. So now I'm just gonna torch it because I've not torched it yet. my premonition came to pass. Can you see all these cells, unwanted cells popping out because of that gold on the base color? Like, yep, I don't really like too much cells for this one. So let's see how I'm gonna fix it. Oh no, a cell in the center. Oh, look at this. Look, it's spreading so quickly. This is ruining the whole flow of the paints. Look, it's just getting bigger and bigger non-stop. This is not what I had in mind. Anyway, I'm gonna fix that because this is mortifying and I'm definitely gonna fix it. I'm just gonna add more paint on it and then reduce the size of the cell. Okay, so it looks like a pattern from the butterfly's wing, so this is much better. I'll let you see the final outcome for everything. Right, let me show you the final end result. Just look at the colors, look at the gold shimmering through the magenta and the prism violet, and look at all the cells forming too. Just look at how all the colors flow. Like, this is really gorgeous. Look at the lacing on the left side. This is just beautiful. The whole purpose is to make a butterfly, but I think I'm more obsessed with the color. But anyway, I formed a butterfly, and please let me know what you think about this X butterfly. Do you think it's a great technique? Please let me know in the comment section, and see you guys again next week. Take care, bye.